Today we're checking out Vizio's 5.1.4 channel surround soundbar, which offers Dolby Atmos surround, including discrete satellite speakers and a massive subwoofer, all for hundreds of dollars less than many Dolby Atmos competitors. The question is, at $1,000, is this worthy of your Atmos investment? To get all that sound from a single system, Vizio's loaded in plenty of drivers here, including 8 in just the bar itself. There are 2 drivers for each of the 3 front channels, including an oblong driver matched by a 3/4 inch tweeter, as well as 2 upfiring height speakers. In addition, there are also dual passive radiators at the left and right sides to scoop out some lower mid-range sound, and the center channel is also ported to do the same. The bar is matched by these micro-sized surround sound satellites, which include a front-facing driver each for left and right surround, as well as an upfiring driver for the final 2 height channels that make up that 0.4 in the 5.1.4 system. As you can see, unlike some competitors like Samsung and others, the surround speakers aren't wireless, instead connecting with these lengthy wires to the subwoofer. Now, this is a signature Vizio design, and while it's not quite as clean as wireless speakers, those powered speakers also need to be plugged into wall outlets anyway, so you're not really missing the wires completely. Connecting them with speaker wire also helps Vizio cut some production costs here. The subwoofer is wireless, however, offering some freedom of placement, and it also boasts a massive 10-inch cone inside, which is among the biggest we've ever seen in an all-in-one system like this. And let us assure you, it pumps out some serious bass. There are multiple ways to connect the system, and it comes with all the accessories you'll need to do so, though you'll get the best sound by connecting directly with the ARC HDMI connection. Other connections include digital coaxial and optical inputs, 3.5mm analog, Ethernet, and a single HDMI input for your Blu-ray player or gaming console, which allows the bar to decode uncompressed audio. We would have liked to seen one more there, but Samsung's $1,700 Atmos bar only has 2, so we'll give Vizio a bit of a pass. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi streaming over Vizio's SmartCast system are also included. Those familiar with Vizio's other bars will be right at home with the Atmos system's interface, which puts the full menu into Vizio's signature remote, complete with old-school digital screen at the top. That corresponds with LEDs at the side of the bar to let you know where your levels are. Now, the system isn't our favorite, but it works fairly well. One item of caution here though, while most of the levels are adjustable, the height channels are not. We never had an issue there ourselves, but those with high ceilings may want to give this consideration, as it could affect the Atmos immersion. The system also doesn't decode DTS:X, but instead decodes DTS surround and uses Dolby processing for the height channels. Then again, it's getting harder and harder to find DTS:X in the wild anyway. We don't mind a few quirks with the features in an interface though, because Vizio's 5.1.4 system puts out some incredible Atmos surround sound, especially for an all-in-one system at this price, matching up with systems costing hundreds more. Throw on an Atmos mix and watch this system sing as it surrounds you in clear, powerful, and immersive sound, revving up everything from Dolby's Atmos demos to movies like Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2, where the smooth bass and powerful speakers make for a fun and engaging ride. The system also does pretty well in the quieter moments, offering plenty of detail, though it does fall short of the kind of rich and textured sounds of some of our favorite soundbars at this price that don't offer discrete surround sound. That being said, we enjoyed Vizio's system with pretty much everything we put on, including music, where genres like hip-hop and electronic are especially fun thanks to that booming musical subwoofer. While Vizio does have a scaled-down Atmos bar, which offers 5.1.2 sound for about half the price, if you're looking for powerful, immersive Atmos sound and you're on a tight budget, we highly recommend checking this out. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like what you see, please comment in the comment section, maybe give us a thumbs up. You can check out more videos here. We'd love it if you'd subscribe to our channel as well. And you can check out in-depth reviews of this soundbar and plenty of other gear at digitaltrends.com.